Ensure safety in your PV systems with ONCCY Electrical's Rapid Shutdown solution. Our Rapid Shutdown technology is designed for both residential and commercial PV systems, with a maximum circuit voltage of up to 1500 V to meet the demands of high-power solar panels. Key benefits include 1. Crucial firefighting time, complete isolation of PV panels. 2. Automatic reset, hassle-free reactivation. 3. No extra network needed, stable switching capability. 4. Extended inverter lifespan. 5. Choose ONCCY Electrical for enhanced safety and efficiency in your solar installations.